We've got our 23andMe starter kit right here. We're going to open it up and get this process started. You might know me as a radio DJ or a computer programmer, or you might know me from right here on YouTube. Of course, you might not know me at all. My name's Kaye, and one thing you probably don't know is that I was adopted at birth. Well, really 6 months in, but who's counting? Up until now, I've never even considered looking into my history. It really never mattered to me. But as I get older, the curiosity of my heritage is starting to come to mind. So I was recently given the 23andMe starter kit as a gift. I'm going to open it up, we're going to get this process started, and together we're going to learn about my history for the very first time. This is the same box we're going to use to ship everything back when we're done, and it's full of instructions and reminders that you need to register your kit online before you do anything else. That's where all your personal information is going to come in. And then there's just this packaging and the actual tube you're going to use. It's just a simple saliva sample that they need. I'm going to take these into the other room now so that I can get them what they need, and in a few short weeks we're going to have our results. So I hope you're subscribed so you don't miss the next video and we can learn about my history together.